Hello and welcome to the New Jersey State Library's Guide on Legislative Histories. What is a legislative history? A legislative history is exactly what it sounds like, a history of a particular act of legislation, compiled by the New Jersey State Library after it has passed both the Assembly and the Senate and has been signed by the Governor. Legislative histories are generally not compiled for appropriations or temporary and executed bills. What's in a legislative history? For the most part, each legislative history has a checklist, which notes the contents of the history included in the file, as well as any citations not published in the document. Each legislative history should contain the final text of the bill, any sponsor, committee, or floor statements, fiscal documents, and any messages or press releases from the governor's office related to the bill. Any reports, hearings, and newspaper articles are cited at the end of the checklist. These documents are not included in the file. In the case of reports and hearings, they are available from our catalog. Unfortunately, we cannot publish newspaper articles with the legislative histories due to copyright restrictions, but they are available upon request. How to search for legislative histories on our website. To navigate to the Legislative History search page from the New Jersey State Library's website, hover over Start Your Research in the white ribbon towards the top of the page. Under the subheading Research, click on Legal Research. This will take you to the Law Library's webpage. Scroll down past the photo of the Law Library and click on NJ Legislative Histories. Or type repo.njstatelib.org/advanced_search.html into your address bar. From here, you can search our legislative history database by year and chapter number. For example, to search for Chapter 150 from 2005, simply enter 2005 in the year box and 150 in the chapter box, then click Submit. Click on the results to access the Legislative History PDF, located under Files. As of April 9, 2025, all scanned legislative histories are available from 1965 to 2022. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by email at reflaw@njstatelib.org or call 609-278-2640, extension 102. Thank you for watching.